Cleaning motivation for today. The dirt and grime and dust that likes to sit along the baseboards and the bottom of your white doors. You can scrub with detergent and water if you would like, or you could use this little tip. It's Lysol spray. It is a mold and mildew remover, but it's also a bleach and it whitens in seconds. You may want to wear a mask. The smell is a little strong, or open some windows. Definitely have some fans going. Bleach can be, a very potent smell, but just spray on the white borders and the door frames, the bottom of the doors, whichever you need to remove the dust, dirt, and grime and mud from. The wall stains as well. Let it sit there for a little while and really soak in. And at this moment, I'm just letting it soak in. You can see where I have sprayed and where I'm just letting it sit and hopefully remove those stains a lot easier than it would be if I just got down and scrubbed manually. And then we're just going to take a paper towel, tissue, whatever you have on hand, and we are going to remove it. Now remember, it is bleach, so you may not want to take, one of your best cleaning towels to do this. Maybe perhaps a paper towel or a tissue or something like that. But then we're just going to remove the substance.
I'm on to something so revolutionary I can't do it all by myself. I touch my leg to help.
If you have an area that is hard to get, you can use Q-tips. This works great for a number of things in your home, but you could use the Q-tip for the corner to try to get that dust out that you just don't want to move.
Hey, listen, do you have a few minutes? I have something to show you.
I'm just removing more of the excess cleaning substance from around the floor and the walls. Make sure you do get every bit of that substance up for the safety of children and pets as well. Make sure you remove everything that you have put down. Here is your end result, and I think the Lysol cleaner did really, really well. In this next segment, I'm going to try the Mean Green. It's super strength, cuts through dirt and grime. I'm going to see how well it cleans the borders and the walls compared to the Lysol. Here's a close-up view of the Mean Green soaking on the wall. Next, I'm just going to take a microfiber cloth and I'm going to remove the cleaning substance and any dirt that it may have removed. And this is after I have used the cloth and removed the dirt. So just on a comparison, I feel like the Lysol with the bleach does a little better on the white border. But the Mean Green overall does not do a bad job. It just goes by your preference and what you need in your home. Thanks for watching.